President said the 2023 APC may not win the election. Vice President Yemi Osinbajo yesterday told members of the APC not to assume that the bulk vote the party had in 2015 and 2019 will remain intact in 2023 as President Muhammadu Buhari, whose personality attracted the vote, will not be on the ballot. Consequently, Professor Osinbajo charged the youth arm of the party to work hard to build a stronger membership base, rise from the grassroots. The Vice President stated this when he received the delegation of APC National Youth Lobby Group, who were at the Presidential Villa to present the report of the party's youth conference in June this year. A statement issued by the Senior Special Assistant to the President of Media and Publicity, Office of the Vice President, Mr. Lalu Akande, stated that the Vice President called for the building of a stronger grassroots base was because of the future. Welcoming the idea of young people in the party forming the group, the Vice President said this lobby group will need to deal with the issue of inclusion at the grassroots first. According to him, today the APC can win elections. Why not? We have a very popular president who can control insignificant votes. We are partners everywhere. Whereas in the coming years, when we do not have such a political leader who is as popular as the president, you are going to need the hard work. You are going to do the hard work. We can't assume that the votes will all come in. Speaking on the role of APC youth, Osinbajo said, I think that your group is more relevant today than ever before because you are not only representing young people, but you have the energy to make sure that this party actually works for all Nigerians. One of the great opportunities that we have is that we have young people like yourself who are interested enough in politics. All of you already have shown your capacity in various ways. Those who are in government and show that they can do the stuff. So the next hard work now is how to get the younger people in our communities, in our society into this party and to see themselves as part of this party in their hundreds of thousands, in their millions. That is the next things to do. I hope you will apply your resources and energy to do this, the Vice President urged. Is Osinbajo asking for third term for Mr. President? Is he saying without Buhari, APC may not go far in the coming election? Can Buhari be a game changer for APC come 2023? What is your take on the Vice President comment?